Well, my everyday style, I would say, is more practical than anything. Plain, not basic.
Not basic.
Not basic.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video of The Coast. Yes! Woo! Anyways, today's video is going to be a makeover video. I did this last year and I never actually put it out, but I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and work on this video and put it out because it was a great time doing the video. So I know you guys are going to enjoy it. You guys have anything to say, and also for those of you who actually know my sister, you know that she's had the same style for a while. So this is going to be a little interesting and very fun. Anyways, leave your let's talk in the comment section below. And then if you guys have any suggestions of what you want to see me do next, please leave that also in the comment section below. I'll see you guys on the other side. How would you describe your everyday style?
Well, my everyday style, I would say, is more practical than anything. Plain, not basic.
Not basic.
Not basic.
Okay.
Just plain and just practical. Like I wear jeans and a t-shirt if I'm doing nothing. If I'm around the house, I will wear a dress just because it's easy. It's just very practical.
Okay.
Not flashy. I tend to be a little bit less flashy.
What do you prefer to wear, jeans or dress?
Depends on the occasion. Jeans if I'm just going to Walmart or shopping. A dress if I'm trying to dress it up a little bit, or if I'm at home doing nothing.
Do you need your glasses to see?
Yes, I'm blind. I can't see anything without my glasses. If I don't wear my glasses, I'm wearing contacts. If not, I'm walking around like this. So yeah, I need my glasses.
How do you prefer to wear your hair, straight or curly?
I prefer my hair actually curly. I think curly is beautiful. I think curly is natural, and that's the hair God gave me, so that's the hair I prefer to wear. I straighten it maybe like once a year just to see what it's doing, the ends, because it helps me to kind of trim it and do stuff like that. But I prefer curly.
Do you wear makeup?
Makeup, I would say I tend not to wear very much. Mostly because, not because I don't like the way it looks, but because I'm up really early and I don't have the time to eat my face and do all that. So if I wear anything at all, I would say maybe once a week I'll put something on my face, once or twice a week, and that's usually limited to lipstick, lip liner, and eyeliner. That's about it.
Are you excited for this makeover?
Yes. My sister's been saying she wants to do this makeover for a while, and I figured why not? See what she can do. Let her work her magic. I trust her. She's done my makeup before, and it's been beautiful and flawless. I was like, why not? Let's try.
All right, baby. On the count of 3, you can open your eyes. 1, 2, 3.
I'm nervous. Oh my God! This is so weird. I look like somebody. I look like you. I literally look like you. That's so weird.
What do you think?
Wow. I kind of like it.
Girl, you look good.
It's different. It's very, wow. This is different. This is interesting. I look like another person. Wow.
Do you like your clothes?
The jeans are comfortable. The shirt's different. You know, I like crop tops. It's a little different though. It's interesting. I don't know. Like, my face looks different. I've never worn eyelashes this big before. I like the eyebrows. I like how you shaped them a lot. I like the highlighting. It's very, wow. I look beat.
To the gods.
Beat to the gods. My face looks really different though. Like, it's like different.
It looks like you, but it looks like in like a different version.
Yeah,
Contoured.
I can see all the contouring, but it's not like overly like done. I mean, it's done. It's like really done.
How did you feel while I was doing your face? Did you feel like it was gonna be too much, or?
Well, because I don't put anything on my face ever, I felt like it was a lot.
Does it look like a lot right now? Like you looking at yourself, how do you feel?
Does it look like a lot?
Yeah.
To me, it's a lot. Yeah.
I am really doing a lot.
What do you want me not feeling by that?
So, yeah. So is it a lot? I feel like it's a lot for my face, but like it's not like terrible. You know what I mean? It looks good, but I would never put this much makeup on, like for any reason at all. I would never, never. Like only for something like this would I ever. Like I mean, I like it.
What about your hair? How do you feel about your hair?
The hair, purple. I've never worn anything outside of brown in my hair, so this is interesting. I do like these little like trinkets or whatever they call them. I like it. It's different. I like it. I like it, but to be honest, I would never wear this out ever. I mean, we can wear it out tonight, but like just for fun. But I wouldn't. It's just.
You literally look like Janet Jackson from this video right now. You look like Janet Jackson.
I can see that because of the contouring. Yeah, I can see that. This is so different.
Okay.
Yeah, I like it. I feel like I'm beat to the gods, y'all. I'm beat to the gods.